Hello, sports fans. Wait, that's something. Hello, math students. I'm Mr. Odom, and we're going to work out problems from section 10.2. Number 6 and 8. I drew this table up here to remind us what likelihood is, how likely is it for something to happen. So when you're studying probability, this is one of these standard tables. You should have this in your notes. If you don't, pause the video now. Pause. It's me pausing. Well, with my hand out of the way. And then you go ahead and put that in your composition book. All right. So hopefully you've done that. And we're going to use this table to answer these two questions. So the learning target for this video is I can describe the likelihood of an event given its probability, which these numbers on the number line here represent the probability. Remember, probability is always between 0 and 1. It's never negative, and it's never greater than 1. It can be 0. It can be 1. All right. So number 6, the directions say describe the likelihood of this event given the probability. Well, the probability that your soccer team, because it's really good, wins, they win 3/4 of the time. So then all I do is I come down here, I look on this table, I'm looking in here. Do you guys see 3/4 anywhere? Yeah, it's right here, right? So 3/4 of the time, right? That coincides. That means that it is likely that you and your team is going to win. So I would write likely. All right, that's for that one. Okay. And then number 8, the probability that the sun rises tomorrow is 1. The sun always rises. We may not be able to see it, but it's always there. Okay. And so I come over to the table again, and 1, that's 100%. That is certain. Okay. We are certain. All right. And just to throw in another problem, the probability, let's say the probability that the Seahawks win the Super Bowl. And let's say they have a 64% chance of winning the Super Bowl. All right. What we would do is we would look, where would 64% be on here? Well, it would be between 50% and 75%. What is halfway between 50 and 75%? Well, we would go 12.5%. So this would be 62.5%. Would be halfway. And if I said it's a 64% chance right here that the Hawks win the Super Bowl, all right, then I'm between equally likely to happen or not. Instead of no, it should be not. And likely. And I'm actually closer to likely. So then I would answer this that way. I would say, well, it's closer to likely. So I'm going to say it's likely that it's going to happen, that they are going to win the Super Bowl this year. All right. So that's how that likelihood number line works with these kind of problems. And hopefully that was helpful for you. All right. So this is Mr. Odom. It's been fun hanging out with you. I'm out.